Welcome. I'm BJ, and I'm here to introduce you to the way we onboard our clients here at Rhino Web Studios. Now, this training is for everyone involved, but I'm going to speak directly to our most important collaborators, the clients, because here at Rhino Web Studios, we treat every client like they're our only client. Once the papers are signed, we've shaken hands, we move to a smooth, organized process for onboarding that makes sure we get everything right. The hardest part of what we do is getting all the ideas and all the images from your head up onto the screen. So we use a project management system called Basecamp that's easy as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It looks like this. Now, this one is mine. Yours won't be so full at the start. If you have a lot of projects going, it will fill up. When we start the project, we click Make a New Project. Then we type your company name. We type your company domain as the description. Then we click Use a Project Template and select New Website Development. This eliminates hours of work by generating a pre-built to-do list. This has some action items for our local teams who meet you face-to-face, and also some action items for our headquarters. Next, we click Add Some People, and that's when we add you to the project. So we enter your information, and it will automatically send you an email. When you access that email, it'll let you sign in and give you access to the Docs and Files section of Basecamp. This is where you give us the information we need so that Rhino Web Studios can create the website and fulfill other tasks. For example, in the branding folder, we receive the branding and graphics information. In the logo and branding graphics folder inside of that folder, you'll just click New to add your logo and other graphics. In branding information, you tell us which theme you've picked from rhinopm.com and which colors you want us to use. When you tell us your colors, the way that we need you to tell us the colors is by using the colors hex code. Okay, that looks like this. The hex code is what websites actually use to display colors, and you can find any hex code at htmlcolorcodes.com. So any color you use, you go there and it'll give you a £sign with 6 letters or numbers after it. And if you have multiple brand colors, you could just paste them all right here. So we also ask if you want a specific heading font. Okay, we use Google fonts here at Rhino since they're all web friendly. We never have any trouble with these fonts. The whole web understands how to use them. And you can find all of those at fonts.google.com. If you have no preference for your fonts, that's okay. We're very good at this. We'll go ahead and pick a good one for you. In our case, Rhino Web Studios uses a Google font called Luckiest Guy. It's fun to cruise around and find fonts that look good for your brand. If you have any other specific instructions, we take them here. All the other folders, such as domain information, videos, are pretty self-explanatory, but they also have instructions right there for you. If you ever get stuck, just ask. One folder I'd like to just mention, though, is the homepage folder. It's called it's a folder inside the homepage folder, and it's called the Hero Header Info folder. Because one huge advantage we give you as a client is that we love to put eye-catching videos, images, or rotating pictures right at the top of your website's homepage. This is called a hero video or image. We can shoot videos for you at extra cost, or maybe you already have the videos. Alternatively, you can find them at Pond 5, a media licensing resource. They may cost $29 to $79 or more, but if you find a video you can just plop it into that folder and we'll use that to grab the attention from the public. One of our clients just loved this highly appetizing video of a steaming plate of seafood, which looks delicious. So if you find something nice, or if you want us to find something nice, that's really an important part of a modern website. So that's the rundown on how to get your information to us easily so we can publish it and make your website beautiful.